All right, hey guys, I just wanted to show you another option to maybe, before replacing your nitrous oxide sensor. It's a 2013 Duramax crew cab Denali. So if you can see that hole right there, that's where this guy screws in at. And it's a real pain in the butt getting there. So what I had to do is take my sensor wrench here. It's a 7/8. Slide it down in there and get it locked on. And then I literally had to, I tried all my breaker bars. I tried everything, every possible angle to get in there. It didn't work. So literally had to just finally use a hammer and a piece of all thread to kind of reach down in there and just sort of bang it loose. So that was my best option. It's kind of seized in there. Obviously it's never been off, but this is what we're looking at. And this was kind of a little bit, it gave me a sensor about 100 miles after I put the new intake on, which is there. So I think maybe once you oil that up and spin some stuff through here, this thing, you can tell, is all, it's filthy, built up carbon and whatnot on there. So anyway, it's giving me a P11CB code, which calls out this bank 1 sensor. And what we'll do is we'll clean her up with a little brake clean and fire it up. I don't know, see if it works. Okay, so here we are post cleaning. So you can see I was able to get quite a bit of gunk off of there. I don't know that this will clear the code. I actually ordered another sensor anyway. It'll be here tomorrow, but figured I'd see if I can get away with just cleaning her out and going with it. I mean, it looks pretty good, so I'll let you know. She's all cleaned up, ready to put back in. Probably want to throw a little, just a tiny bit of grease or something on that because it's a little bit tight getting in there. Let's see. So I had an engine code, and it's gone. And that P11CB isn't a code you can reset on your own. It has to go through the drive cycle to go through the reset. So I don't know. Maybe I don't need to do that sensor after all. But anyway, there you go. Put her back in, hook her back up. And it seems to have cleared the code, at least for now. I'll update the video or the link if anything changes, but maybe there's a fix instead of replacing your nitrous oxide sensor. If you get the bank 2 one, it's down underneath here, right before the catalytic or the GPF. So you'll see that thing down there. So this is bank 1 up here, and that's bank 2 down there, in case you get that. All right, good luck.